We've met the pieces one by one. Now let's put them on a single whiteboard, the whole Australian system, top to bottom, in one picture. It starts above any one country. FATF, the Global Task Force, sets the standards. Then Australia's Parliament turns those standards into law, the Act. Under the Act, the AUSTRAC CEO makes the rules, the detail, and AUSTRAC enforces both, wearing its two hats, regulator and financial intelligence unit. Then comes you, a reporting entity standing at the gate. You run your checks, you keep your records, and when something triggers it, you send a report to AUSTRAC. AUSTRAC turns your reports into intelligence and shares it with the agencies that act. And the point of the whole chain? A cleaner economy, one where crime finds fewer places to hide. That is the whole system. Standards become law, law becomes AUSTRAC. And AUSTRAC depends on you, the one link standing where the money actually moves. 8 links, one chain. Now you can see the whole of it. And exactly where your part begins, that is the system you have joined.